Hey guys, what happened in the shadows? This is Zane, my baby cousin. This is Zane. Or cover your face. No, don't you dare start crying right now. When I start making a video, we don't cry on my videos. We smile. Can you smile? Don't you dare. So we are at the beach. I'm ready to go swimming. Yeah, I'm with my aunt, David and baby Zane, and my grandma. We're gonna spend some time swimming and eating. Okay, so they basically told me, hey, go check if it's cold or not. I just stepped on a stick, and that really hurt. But, yeah, I'm about to go test out the coldness. So far the sand is hot. Okay, yep, it's cold. It's cold. Oh! Cold. Why is it so cold? Alright. So far swimming is fun. It's no longer cold. It's warm. And yeah. If you look out here, here's David. There's David. A little head right there. He's just chilling out there by himself. Like a little bum. But yeah, I only love him because, you know, he has a son named Zane. He's amazing. JK David, I love you for no home. Anyways. But yeah, that's basically swimming. Probably gonna go swim some more. So yeah, my hair is actually looking good today. So, oh, Grandma's getting ready to swim. Grandma's getting ready to swim. Where is she? Did I lose her? There's Grandma. So, peace. Get out here, cameraman. You know what? I'm just jealous because I'm on YouTube and you're not. And your son's on YouTube and you're not. Well, actually, you will be because your little head was.
Sorry, my head not as square as yours.
You know what?
Shaped head.
Shut up.
Ice Cube.
Ice Cube. Okay. Alright. Zane. Hold on. Look. Zane. There, that made you stop crying. Want your binky? Huh? There you go. And here we have Jackie. Way out there. There's David. There's Jackie. They are the two loving parents of Zane. Not Zayn Malik. Not Zane, whatever you want to call him. Zane. And he is way out there. I have no idea why he's out there. But we are still at the beach, guys. We are having a ton of fun with Zane taking a nap way up. So guys, that was basically it today. I had fun at the beach today. Comment down below your opinion of beaches. Do you prefer lakes or oceans? Probably oceans, you know, better color, whatever. But I prefer lakes, no sharks. I'm not a big fan of sharks. Comment down below what I should do next as like an adventure, etc., etc. Zane loved the day. Had a great day at the beach. Second time doing it, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. So peace out.